Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a review on this brand new butane torch lighter. So first of all, I do want to mention the incredible design on this torch lighter. So far, everything on this torch lighter has been really high quality. So starting off at the top, here's what they call the flame mouth. And so as you can see, there are these little metal strands just hovering over the flame. And that's pretty much what makes the flame go red. So if that's something you don't want and you want to go back to the blue flame, you can always remove the metal plate and then it'll function as normal with the blue flame rather than with the red. So the fact that you can remove this is a really nice feature. Next, I do want to talk about these lighter wall wings, which are really cool aesthetically. As you can see, it really does give it that lightsaber aesthetic, but it's not just for aesthetics, it's also functional. So if you've ever had one of these big torch lighters, you know that they can get pretty hot pretty quick, which sucks because there's never a way to stand them up. You always have to place them down, and if they're hot, then you have to wait until they get cool, which kind of sucks. But with the wings, it really does provide more space between this hot metal and the surface you're placing it on. So you really can't see it as I place it on this table, but there will be a little bit of separation between the table and this hot metal. Not only that, but it actually helps if you accidentally grab it while still being hot. It can really provide some help. And I have noticed the difference between the heat right in the middle and the heat on the wings. It's drastically different. Now here's the flame regulator. Then we have the lock mechanism, which is also a feature that I really like. It's a very hard click and there should never be a doubt whether it's locked or unlocked. And this simple safety feature really makes a difference, especially on a torch lighter so big and so powerful like this one. Now when it's locked, it really is locked and you can't even move the ignition button, and when unlocked, you can obviously then move it. So that's locked. Moving on to the bottom, here we have the fuel nozzle, and that's pretty much this torch lighter. Now one thing that this torch lighter doesn't have is a fuel window, but with these super big torch lighters, I really don't think you need one. The capacity on these large torch lighters is a great amount, and even with the high flame output, they last for a long time. So I really don't think you need a fuel window. Now the air ventilation is something that I want to mention as well, because this is going to be what's going to contribute to a very strong torch flame. So with that being said, it's time to show you the power of this thing. Take it off lock, hard click, flame up, and let's see what it has. So as you can see, it has a super strong flame. If you notice the flame, it starts off as blue and then turns red because of the metal that's added. And so that's something that you can change if you wanted. But I mean, overall, this is an incredible torch lighter. It has a full aluminum body, so the feel of it is incredible. Not only does it feel like a high quality torch, but it performs like one as well. I highly recommend it.